Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. I am really excited to share a full green, eco-friendly makeup tutorial with you today. It's just really nice and simple and easy, especially for something just fun to try while you're at home right now. We're stuck at home all the time. Anyways, it's going to be all done with products you can easily find at your drugstore, which is obviously still accessible to us right now. So I found, I think, almost all of these products at London Drugs. And yeah, I'm going to sort of explain to you why they all kind of fall into the green eco-friendly category as we go along, and then let's see how to do this look. There we go. Enjoy. So first up is the Clarins Plant Gold, and this is a Nutri-Revitalizing Oil Emulsion. It actually combines the iconic blue orchid treatment oil with a very luxurious melting emulsion, and it is 100% natural origin, and that means that the it has natural aromatic scent to it. It has plant extracts and essential oils, which are all 100% natural origin. Smells so good, you guys. It smells like a garden on my face. That makes sense. Yeah, you know what? I was worried it would feel a little bit too oily because it is an oil emulsion, but no, it just feels very luxurious, very nourishing on the skin. That's really nice. All right, next up, I'm going to use a moisturizer. So in today's theme, I'm going to be using the Derma E Vitamin C Renewing Moisturizer. I'm just using up my little testers because I have these right now, but I have the full size of this as well. And if you'll actually see it right on here, it'll say eco-ethical, 100% vegan, GMO-free, and cruelty-free. And it's basically just a light moisturizer that will help boost your radiance. So next I'm going to use the Burt's Bees Goodness Glows Liquid Foundation. And this is really cool. This is actually 98.9% natural, which is fantastic. And I just love Burt's Bees in general because I know that they do put a lot of effort into making sure that even their footprint in their warehouses is as low as possible. And I also know that they use recycling in their packaging as well. And on the back of this bottle here, I don't know if you'll see that, but it says that you can recycle the bottle and cap. Now, obviously that'll depend on recycling what's available in your city, but that's really cool to see too. Kudos to Burt's Bees for making it in that shade that actually matches my skin tone. That makes me so happy. So now I'm going to go in and use the Burt's Bees concealer. And this is the packaging, by the way, and it actually also says recycle carton. So that's good. That's recyclable. And this is 98.5% natural. Okay, and now we're gonna move on to blush. Isn't this such a pretty shade? This is the Burt's Bees blush in Shy Pink. And this product from Burt's Bees is 100% natural. And I'm also going to use my Eco Tools brush today. So if you're not familiar with Eco Tools, they are considered an eco-friendly brush brand. They are tree-free, so they use bamboo, which is considered a highly renewable resource as opposed to using trees. And they are also cruelty-free. I decided I'm actually also going to go in and do a little bit of sculpting on the cheekbones there. This is my Imani bronzer, and if you're not familiar with Imani, they are cruelty-free, vegan, 100% gluten-free. They use eco-friendly manufacturing processes, ethical suppliers, overall awesome company. And if you're concerned about what's in your products, their products are non-toxic. So I'm going to go ahead and use that just right along the cheekbones here. Okay, and for lashes, I'm going to use the Burt's Bees Nourishing Mascara, and this one's 100% natural using jojoba oil. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to use the Burt's Bees Satin Lipstick, and this is in Brimming Berry 514. It's made with 100% natural ingredients, and as a bonus, the packaging is also made with 60% recyclable materials. Okay, and that's it. There's our Earth Month, Earth Day beauty look made with some of my favorite eco-friendly green beauty products. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!